The stock market declined on October 12th as the US BLS released new data showing prices rose faster than expected. October 12th, 2023, the stocks fell in the US today as newly released inflation data overshot expectations. The Dow Jones Industrial Average fell by 173.73 points to 33,631.14. The S&P 500 declined by 27.34 points, ending the day at 4,349.61. The tech-heavy Nasdaq index lost 85.46 points, declining to 13,574. At 8:30 a.m. ET, the U.S. Bureau of Labor Statistics released Consumer Price Index data for the month of September. It showed that prices increased 0.4% over the course of the month and 3.7% in the year preceding October 1. This was higher than the 0.3% for the month and 3.6% year-over-year estimated by Dow Jones. Traders interpreted the higher-than-expected figure as bearish for equities, as it could imply that the Federal Reserve will need to keep interest rates elevated for longer than previously expected as their attempt to keep inflation under control. Despite this decline in the overall market, shares of some retail sector companies did unusually well. Walgreens gained 7% after it reported that its losses had not been as great as previously expected, and Dollar General stock surged by nearly 10% after hours as the company announced that former CEO Todd Vasos will return to the company. U.S. Treasury yields rose as traders digested the new inflation data. The 10-year note gained 0.102 points, reaching 4.699%. The 2-year gained 0.066 points, rising to 5.071%. Gold fell by $6.52 per troy ounce to $1,868.93. Gold has been trending down since May 4th, when it peaked to $2,060.60 then. Concerns about rising interest rate again, and a strong dollar have kept the yellow metal in decline. Oil gained slightly today, with West Texas Intermediate adding a penny per barrel to his price to reach $83.50. Brent crude gained 56 per barrel to reach more than 86.30. In the Forex market, the U.S. dollar index rose 0.76 points to 106.58. The euro fell 0.85% to a 0.528. The yen fell 0.47%, causing the number of yuan needed for millions of volts to buy a dollar volted by a 4 to rise to 149.7720. Many traders believe that Japanese monetary authorities will intervene if this number rises. Information for this news item was sourced from APMEX, CNBC, MSN Money, Yahoo Finance, and Business Insider. And Vintage Markets is dedicated to the in-depth exploration and reporting of traditional financial news, tracing the journeys of global markets and economies from the Stone Age to the Stoned Age.